What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game South of Midnight on your PC. So, if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, we will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. The first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now the next step is to locate this game on Steam first, and then we can proceed to another website to download this game. So go to the Steam website. After that we need to search for the game South of Midnight and search for the game. Once you have found it, select it and scroll a little bit down. Once you have scrolled down, you will find out that this game is quite expensive on Steam. But don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says Find Game Here. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this webpage, and now you can search for the same game, South of Midnight. Now search for the game, and after that we can select games on the left side. Then sort by price lowest first, and once you have done that you need to search for a PC version. So scroll a little bit down and you will find this one, which can be activated in our country because it is important that this text is marked green. So after that select the game, and once you have done that you will find out that this game is just 18 euros and 82 cents compared to the Steam price of 39 euros and 99 cents. Once you have bought this game online on this webpage, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a new legit Steam account, so you can download it on your PC through Steam, but much cheaper than the price of 39 euros and 99 cents. And this is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!